What up, guys? Episode 1021 starts right now.
So many days go by, easy to find what's wrong, harder to find what's right. I believe in you, I can show you that I can see right through all your empty lies. I won't stay long in this world for long. Say goodbye.
Shotgun.
Yeah.
Don't you dare look at him in the eye. As we dance with the devil tonight. Trembling, crawling across my skin.
This is one of my all-time favorite albums of any band.
Dead eyes, stealing the life of mine. I believe in you. I can show you that I can see right through all your empty lies. I won't last long in this world so long. Say goodbye as we dance with the devil tonight. Don't you dare look at him in the eye. As we dance with the devil tonight. Hold on. Hold on. Say goodbye as we dance with the devil tonight. Don't you dare look at him in the eye as we dance with the devil tonight. Hold on. Hold on.
What up, guys? Go fuck yourself. Go fuck yourself.
Go fuck
Go
yourself.
fuck yourself. What up? Johnny D in the house.
What up?
What
How we doing? Oh shit. Damn. Today has been fucking excellent already. What have you guys been doing?
Nothing much.
Nothing much?
I think I figured out what's wrong with my foot. I mean, I haven't gotten the MRI, but now I've been like researching the biology of a foot, and right where
Well, yeah, look, it doesn't belong up your
All you have
ass,
to do
that's for
is-
sure.
All you have to do is ask Fag Rabbit.
that's different. But I was looking because I looked up like tendons and where I'm feeling the pain and have all the bruising. It's not really like tendons that go right there, but there's a muscle that goes right everywhere where I have got the pain and the swelling and the bruising. So I'm
Right.
thinking I might have torn a muscle.
Oh. Ouch.
Yeah.
That sucks.
Yeah. It sure does. Should fucking dude, I had to go to Walmart today driving around the little fucking the granny scooter, you know, like the fucking oh, I hate that thing, dude. It was like, you know, then I all the and then when I go in reverse, it's all beep, beep, all loud and shit. I was like, oh, I hate this thing. But it's the only way I could comfortably get around safely right now. Dude, what's ARC price at today? Let's see. Is it under what's cheaper, that or drip? That's Mike.
11, almost 12 cents.
Fuck, they're both this. Dude, technically drip's lower.
Yeah.
What the fuck?
Yep. Wow.
Damn.
Yep. People just dumping it, man.
I wonder if this has anything to do with those whales that you told me couldn't hurt the price that have been those assholes, cocksuckers. Because only reason why would people start dumping now? Other than what? To make it would make Forex look bad if he launched something new and then the price dumps. I mean, I don't know, dude. That's the only I think I feel like it's somewhat malicious. Why are people gonna wait this long till he launches something?
I don't know.
But yeah, it's fucking dumb. Just the price of drip is lower than
in the vault.
Oh, damn.
Yeah, how much is in the vault?
Less than $1 million.
Oh, fuck.
Been a bit of claiming.
See, I almost wonder if that was like one of these fucking well groups that for a year ago said they're gonna wait. They'll wait. They're patient. Maybe they are all because they were gonna do this before. Remember, they were saying they told me and I told you guys they were gonna do like planned dumps where they know it would hit it the hardest.
Anybody can say what they want to say, but
well, yeah,
out there in the chat, we got JC. New job tomorrow. Nice.
Hey, good shit, man.
We got
good shit.
Whatever. We got
Hervé.
Fuck you, Marvin.
Footloose.
Jenny said, "Sure, not dick loose." Right here. Marvin, how you been, buddy?
It seems like the participation has gone down a little bit on DDD too, which
which I expected that.
See it coming yet.
Look, the average attention span of a DeFi denizen is that of a flea on crack.
Yeah. All right. Well, made my money today.
No, I didn't. No. Dude, I've been saving up drip all week. I've never done that. When I claim it, I sell it that day. I was building it up thinking, okay, well, eventually we'll see a nice little pump here. Give it a few days. Or at least stability. Yeah. You know?
Uh-oh. Retard alert.
Yep. Well, I always try and do my
looking-
part, you know? Even if I don't have the most confidence or faith in what's being presented to fix the problem, and I'm not saying I did or didn't, but even if I don't, I'm still going to try and do my part, you know, with something like drip that we're so deep into as a community. And
you want to know something? You want to know something really funny about all of this? Like, it's really, really not that hard to actually do your part, and let me tell you how. Right? Look. When these ecosystems and contracts are designed, they are designed in such a way that when you participate to maximize your gains and potential in that contract to the fullest extent is how you ultimately help it in the best way. These contracts are not designed for you to reach the highest levels without some great degree of participation or deposit of value into its contracts, right? You're not going to get there, on the cheap, is what I'm trying to say.
Right. Yeah.
So realistically, it's like the old adage goes: crypto is a solo sport that can be played in a coordinated fashion.
Yeah.
So play to maximize your bags, dude. That's the best way you can help any ecosystem.
Yeah. Fucking cock smoking mother truckers. I just feel like it was somebody. I mean, obviously, this is my opinion, but I just feel like as hard as it's been hit new all-time low every day, that it was somehow intentional from people to make him look bad. You know how it is. People, just like BT when he got exploited. Dude, why did the person do it? From all looks, the way everything looks, and a lot of us have the same opinion, to make him look bad, to hurt the project.
Yeah, exactly. It's literally just to fucking, show where it was weak.
Yeah.
Like, oh, look at me.
You look at their feelings hurt, and then they're patient, and they just wait just to dump everything to hurt it. Like, dumb. But we can only control ourselves, right?
Yep. Yeah.
You know, on this, I was
Yeah,
hoping,
exactly,
I was
Marvin.
hoping
And
though
those
all
people
those,
put in yeah,
like I put in a little bit of fresh BNB in both of my accounts, just like I said, do my part. I've done a little DDD, but I was really hoping that all these guys that brag about how they pulled millions and millions of dollars out of the ecosystem, that maybe they would throw a bunch of fresh capital in. I mean, they're the ones, that are driving the community. Oh, shots fired. Donnie, you got a comment on the screen.
yeah, no, I see it.
Fucking Mr. Big. Hey, at least you don't drive a Mustang, right?
And you're still young, Donnie. You're still very young.
You still got plenty of time to buy a Mustang, dude. Don't worry about it.
I ain't buying no fucking Mustang. Mustangs are so 3 Series.
Do you guys have Ford Mustangs there, or do you have something similar from Ford?
There was actually a weird trend, like over towards the city ways of where I live, where there were a lot of Mustangs getting around for a while. It was only for maybe there was only maybe a time span of 6 months where there was a slight increase in the amount of modern 2022 Mustangs getting around.
Are they American or are they Australian? Which side are you driving from?
We're driving on the normal side,
So we drive on the normal side.
No, we drive on the normal side.
So your Mustangs are on the wrong side, is what you're saying?
No. Our Mustangs are on the right side.
Which is wrong.
Which is right.
What up, fellas?
It's on the right, but it's wrong.
No. You always pass to the left because the right way is wrong.
Well, technically we invented cars, so you guys fucking did it wrong.
No, actually, technically the Germans did.
Well, no, hold on a second. Just remember for a second, Australians invented the utility vehicle,
we invented
right?
airplanes or something like that.
Yeah, airplanes are definitely American.
No, that was the Wright brothers.
Yeah. In North Carolina or South Carolina, wherever they were at.
Kitty Hawk.
Kitty Hawk. What? Hold on a second.
Fuck.
Right, brothers. Yeah, what up, ENJ? Okay. No, so where the fuck are these guys from?
Something.
Right, wasn't Carl? Didn't Carl Benz? Wasn't he the first fucking car?
Born August 19th, 1871 in Dayton, Ohio.
Yeah, Benz, Carl Benz, Mercedes Benz was the first fucking car. Oh, it was in Ohio that they took the first flight? Is that where it was?
No,
It's funny,
that's just where the Wright brothers were born.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I whipped the shit
Wasn't
out
it
of
in one of
Benz
the
the other day.
Carolinas?
They're still doing it wrong.
Who's doing it wrong?
No, I said I whipped the shit out of a fucking Mercedes Benz the other day, so they ain't got shit on my American muscle.
Because you didn't go against the right one, dude. Some of those fucking
Yeah.
Mercedes are nasty.
So we'll still build them faster. Just take it.
You know what?
Just take it to Ripperton. Just take it to
Right.
Ripperton.
Hey, that whole Forex and BB thing, who knows, man? Right? A lot of people speculate that, but there's no proof or evidence for us to publicly be supporting that, I should say. But a lot of people have their suspicions on who did. A lot of people think BT did it too, which that's stupid. BT's not going to destroy his own reputation, his own project, just to go park $11 million. Like, I have my ideas, but it doesn't mean I'm right. That's why I keep those to myself.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, Shane. Yesterday afternoon, I started making a new Telegram bot.
What does it do?
It acts like a. It's basically like MetaMask, but for Telegram.
So it like what? It connects. It does. Is it its own wallet or does it connect?
Yeah.
To MetaMask.
It's its own wallet type thing. Yeah, you interact with it by DMing the bot, like
And
different
so-
commands and shit like that.
And then what is that would be? So like you could send somebody crypto through Telegram. Is that why?
That's
Well-
right. Yeah.
Is that dangerous? So are you maybe making something that? Or is this already something that's around? Or are you trying to make a new technology?
Oh no, this is something that's been done plenty of times before. I'm just making a different approach to it. You know, it's like kind of like a research project. I don't know if it'll become like a full-on production thing, but you know,
Okay.
you know, because there's like a lot of security concerns around
That's
it too. You
exactly what I
know,
was.
so
Because I was
yeah.
like, bro, if you
see, I'm switched on, man. Like I know, you know, yeah, absolutely. Like, and that's exactly it. Like, but yeah. No, at the moment, I've actually got quite a number of the features already working. You know, like I'm just trying to get the basic features working and then, you know, build up on the security of it, you know, make sure it's airtight sort of shit. And, you know, hell, fucking get someone to review it, fucking get some help on it. I don't know. Maybe it does become a thing. Because, like, you've seen Unibot before, right?
not that I could think of offhand.
Okay, so Unibot is it's basically like a Telegram wallet type thing, but it's a sniper bot. A lot of people are using it, and it's gone like fucking ape shit on the chart. But basically, what they do is they provide like a sniper bot type thing, and then they take a fee, and they use that fee to buy and burn their Unibot token. Which is like what's made people some fucking insane gains at this stage.
Well, it looks like the Corvette was invented before the Mustang.
Oh wow.
Yeah, yeah. Mustangs came
Yeah.
around like what was it, like 63, 64? I think was the first year.
Yeah. So fuck
And
you,
then-
Mr. Big.
Well, that's because they made Corvettes for men. That's why they came up with the Mustang for the women, because they were like, well, men have Corvettes, we need to give something for women to drive that's a sports car. Hence the Mustang. You know what though? Even though like the old school Mustangs, like I've never driven one, but they're supposed to be like pretty much gutless. Those 289s, unless you do a lot of work to them, I'd still be pretty cool to own one. Old school Mustangs they like, you know, but that's just because they've got that classic, almost, you know, most cars from the 60s I like.
The 289, you saw it was a 4.6 liter or something?
It was a small V8. It's one of the smallest V8s I think they've ever made.
I think it's a
Yeah.
4.6.
4 point. I think it's smaller than a 4.6, ain't it?
Maybe.
I think it's even because 4.6 is what they had in like the 90s into the early 2000s. I don't. What they didn't come back out with the 5.0 for till like what 2010
It's a
ish.
280. 4.6 is 280.
So then what's the 289? Look up the 289.
I think that's a 5.0, right?
It shouldn't be
It's close. 4.7.
because the 5.0s I think are like over 300, right? Yeah,
Yeah,
305.
305. Yeah, 305. Yeah. What's mine? 6.4. 390, bitch.
Mine is 6.2.
Actually, I guess it's. I think they rounded up to 392. I think that's because it's the same as the Scat Pack, but it's just not supercharged.
Dude, what's a 7.0? 7.0 like the other
7.0.
Corvette.
7.0 is what? Yeah, it's a 426. That's what mine's gonna be.
Yeah, that's what a lot of the
Can't wait to get that bitch.
the bigger bets all have that shit, dude.
I'm gonna be dumping so much corn, dude. I'm gonna be burning the shit out of those fucking fields, dude. Cross is gonna be pissed.
Right?
Oh,
Russ,
shit.
you're gonna be crying, bro. You're gonna be killing all the corn. I love how he never responds when I tag him on shit with like
that's
EVs
right.
that are burning
He's right
down.
because I tell you the 302 they consider a 5.0 over on the Ford side, but in the Chevy side it's a 305.
Yeah. Yep. My dad had a 305 in one of his Chevelles.
They were great motors, dude.
Yeah, he had a
Fucking
350s.
Couldn't kill those
And
motherfuckers at all.
he blew up the 350 and then went down to a 305. And I don't know why. I don't remember, but he said he explained why and that it was somehow a better motor and he could get, as much or more.
Yeah,
First
because
one-
the
Okay, yeah, that's
350
what
has,
it was. Their very first ones were 260. I thought maybe it was smaller than the 289.
Oh, okay. Because I think they have thinner cylinder walls on the 350, maybe. Not sure the exacts.
Oh, maybe like they're not as strong.
They probably
the
overheat. They probably overheat easier.
Cause it was that was in his 66 Chevelle, but he kept all the because it was an SS, a Super Sport, so he kept all the SS badging, but then he had the smaller motor, and some of his friends gave him a hard time, but he was like, I don't care, dude. I chose to put this motor into it. They're like, you can't have the SS badge on it anymore now that you put that in it.
Right.
Oh shit! My fucking son's an asshole.
You just figured that out?
Well, no, I let his dumbass do something on my computer, so he logged out of my computer. He logged out of one of my accounts. And fucking whenever I log into that page, it's all his shit. And so like,
Oh, you're getting a bunch of like fat girls and penises.
no, fucking, it's like I have like my YouTube channel, all that shit. He fucking signed me out of. I'm like, oh shit.
Yeah, it's just annoying. I know what you mean.
Oh man.
260. Mike, wasn't that 260 only like the first year with the very, very, very first run of them?
Oh,
Or was that just their the trial? Because I remembered something about them having a real small motor, but I thought by the time they went production, they were the 289.
All right, Shane. Me looking for a job is getting closer. I just seen the drip price.
Yeah, bro. I already started applying for jobs a long time ago.
Dude. Shit.
Even Ian J's about to get a job. He's all looking for a second job for his wife. He's like, you might have to get a second job here.
No, well, like I say, my son got 600 hours at like a clinic or whatever.
Yeah.
And so I was thinking about just taking over his Uber Eats route and shit while he's doing that. And then, just kind of like chop it up with him a little bit. Because he showed me the proof. I mean, he's making about $1,000 a week. I'm like, bro.
Doing Uber
For what?
Eats?
DoorDash.
And you don't even have to talk to the people, right? Don't you just bring it to their door and just leave it there?
Take
And
a
walk away?
picture. Put at the door, take a picture of their address, and walk away. You know, because if he's doing, because like the clinic he's working at is gonna be like from 8 till 5, and so you know, he won't be doing it then. He'll only be doing like say on the weekends and shit like that. I'm like, bro, so I might have to do that delivery for you.
Damn.
Yeah, bro.
Well,
I'm looking for something like, damn.
Can you imagine if I went and did like DoorDash? I'm all rolling up in a fucking vet to drop your shit off.
You want a little better car on gas.
What?
I said you want a better car on gas than a Corvette.
My Corvette's the best one I have on gas. It is. It's better than the truck. It's better than the Beamer. The Beamer is as bad, if not worse, than the truck. And I don't get on it. A 220? What the fuck?
That's like a 3 Series.
Right? A 220, what is that? Like a fuck it. That's tiny.
Bitcoin.
Oh, dude, they had even smaller, dude. It says the first Mustang rolled off the assembly line in 1963 with convertible notchback and fastback body styles. The original engine was a 170 cubic inch displacement with a straight 6.
Hold on.
Wow. Dude, the 289 achieved horsepower of up to 271 miles an hour.
Huh.
So the 289 was only a 4.3 liter. That the fucking 170 cubic inch. That is so tiny. But that's because they originally, they designed them for women, so they were, they didn't give them all that.
Hey, my mom said when she was 16, she got the 65 Mustang fastback. When she turned 16, that was like her second car.
Yeah, those are dope, dude. Like, even though they're not fucking the fastest, they're cool.
Like that was like my childhood car, I guess you could say.
Oh,
she had that car till I was about 4th grade.
That's not a fucking. And she has the JJ, so she's allowed to drive it. Mr. Big has a penis. He ain't supposed to be driving that. Man, oh man.
Need to fucking need to find something that's
Oh, Shaka Bra.
What up?
What up, dude?
Find something that's
Shaka Bra.
What up, dude?
What up, man? What's going on?
Nothing. Chilling.
What's doing?
How you doing? What's up?
What's up? Come on, Sheep, your turn.
What's up?
Come on, don't you remember the old ads? You gotta do better than that.
Yeah.
What's
Yeah,
up?
Dookie, pick up the phone.
I gotta see.
Yeah,
this.
even you remember, dude. You're not even old enough to remember those.
That's
Dude, that was like a whole what was it? Budweiser fucking ad thing for probably like a year. Oh, remember the frogs? Bud.
Why?
Bud. Wise.
The fuck happened to Drip?
Shut the bed.
Yeah, we're not sure. We'll get back to you on that later on.
When announcement.
Yeah, it's not doing the greatest right now.
It's a good time to get a Max wallet.
Yeah. It is down quite a bit. Yeah. We got 11 people watching, and we're just sitting here.
Trying to find this fucking video. I seen my notifications.
We're looking up.
What is that? Some.
Hey, Sheep, you're right about that. The wealth token kind of took a dip today.
What did?
That wealth token, the one we got airdrop from 9-inch.
Has 9-inch even come out yet?
No, they're still taking care of the
They haven't come out and they're fucking airdropping other tokens already.
Partnerships, like, you know, saying people that they're teaming up with.
Yeah, still before it's launched, it seems
with
kinda
time
strange.
running out, meeting the demand for the 3300 Demon 170s and fulfilling the remaining customer orders will be very interesting to see. Now, I already see Dodge panicking and trying to make as many Demon 170s as possible between now and September 14th. If Dodge build, let's say 20 Demon 170s per day, then there should be around 800 to 1,000 built by the time September comes. All the other demons, Hellcats, Red Eyes, Super Stocks that people are waiting on, you basically gotta cross your fingers that Unifor does not strike. Because that strike lasts in December, like I said, your order is not coming. You're done. Finito. They can't build any cars at December 31st.
Oh shit. Yep. Shit's hitting the fan with these fucking automotive manufacturers.
Telling you, they're sending me fucking shit like, if you want, we can drop your.
Wow,
fucking...
look at that. Marvin just got banned from Stunna's chat because he said price don't matter according to Stunna.
Oh shit.
Well, BlackSheep used to say price don't matter when, you know, so I guess we got to boot you too.
Wow. Like I say, I'm staying fucking 3 days claim, 4 days compounding, just, you know what I'm saying? I'm just staying doing the same thing I've been doing.
The same as Sheep what, Mr. Big? Why don't you come on here and stop talking shit out there? I don't even know what you're talking about.
I know.
Fucking peanut
Shane, how's the
gallery.
ankle?
Oh, it's fucking hurt. I think I figured out. There's a right where the pain is, where the swelling is the worst, where the where I could feel the tugging. I started doing some research today on, like, I looked up tendons, I looked up muscle structure. There's a muscle right where all this pain and all this swelling and all this bruising was.
Yeah.
So I'm thinking I probably tore that muscle. It fucking hurts, dude.
Yeah. How's the landlord acting?
Well, I haven't retained my lawyer yet because my lawyer was supposed to call me Friday. Thursday, he's like, I'm sorry, I've been busy. I'll call you tomorrow. And he never did. So I think because it's probably not necessarily a huge dollar, ticket for him, he's not in that big of a hurry because it's probably not as worth it for him, But I mean, I'm going to tell him, like, bro, if it's a small little bit of money, I don't give a shit. You guys can keep it. Like, I
want
just
the
want
surgery
my
done.
shit fixed, dude.
Yeah.
All I want is my shit fixed. You know, that's it.
Yeah, because I'm fucking in a position and shit with my car and shit. My mom got an attorney and stuff like that because the people who hit our car, they wanted us to team up with them, sign over non liability of them, and then go after the car that hit them that pushed them into us. And so you know, but like I said, I'm trying to trade my car in September and shit, and we have this fucking case still pending. My mom has a lawsuit against.
So the car hasn't been even fixed yet, or what?
What?
Has your car been fixed already, though?
No, that's what I'm saying. I can't trade it in until fucking, you know what I'm saying? I was gonna have him take the fucking the damage and just put to the back of the payment, so when I trade it in, I owe less on the car. You know. But like I say, it's the medical that's gonna pay more than the fucking car repair.
Yeah. Oh yeah, medical is a bitch, especially if everybody's still going through treatment and stuff.
Well, like I say, my mom's the only one who went to the doctor like within 36 hours, 48 hours of the accident because it was like a holiday weekend and shit. You know what I'm saying? And so my mom went over there. So, but then the attorney sent us a different one. Like, hey, we want these X-rays, we want this CAT scan. You know what I'm saying? So they asked for more, and they're pissed off at the first doctor because the first doctor did like the bare necessity, and you know he should. You know what I'm saying? So they should have like more test results and shit. But like shit, I got to fucking pay my car payment and I got to pay my fucking tags and shit. And I was trying to fucking trade my car in before I fucking paid the tags. That was kind of like my game plan. Trade the car in first week of September. You know, saying before I paid the tags.
Yeah.
Oh,
My wife's birthday's fucking Wednesday and shit. Like, dude, I don't know why. Every August and shit is like, it's like not a shitty month, but like
You're always broke just in time for her birthday.
oh
Lucky
man,
you.
like that's when because like our electricity bill goes up and shit. You know what I'm saying? Because summertime, like man, our electricity's down, but it's still up.
You guys hear this, right? EJ's genius. He makes sure he's broke every year during his wife's birthday month. That's fucking brilliant. He's like, fuck, I'm broke for the month. Then come September, he'll be rolling in dough.
I don't know, fucking unless fucking Pulse goes back to fucking sack prices, yeah, then it'd be a nice little double up, triple up, but
Man, oh man.
Donnie, what's going on with GOAT? When we're looking at GOAT?
Start testing tomorrow.
That's right.
Nice.
What the Seifu guy's new token live on Pink Sale in 6 minutes.
Anything on Pink Cell's red flag.
For me personally, there's two things wrong with that.
Pink Cell.
Safu and Pink Cell. Yeah.
Right? What the fuck?
That's like two reasons to not touch.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, love you, Will.
How long's the sale for? No, their last one fucking took off, so it might be
Did it?
a quick buck, yeah.
No, just when I seen Pink Cell, like okay,
It's just weird they're doing it on Pink Sale.
yeah.
What's this new token for? Does it have anything to do with fucking Vulcan, or are they just what are they doing? Just launching new shit coins?
It's probably just a cash grab.
Right. Probably is. I mean, what's going on with didn't what's his name run off with a bunch of money?
Who?
No, he just left. He left the team and left a bunch of money behind, but yeah, he's not on the team anymore.
Okay, so he didn't take everything.
He left him like $1 million.
Well, that was nice of him, huh?
Yeah.
Right. Bleh. Yeah, not much else going on today, huh?
Not really.
Well, it's another boring day. I was waiting for this daily, weekly candles to close, and in about 3 minutes, we start a new week.
Oh yeah, we're almost there. Is it closing? Oh, down, huh?
Yeah. Noted I was hoping this dominance would have closed below 7.43, but it's not there yet.
Okay, let me see. What was I doing? Fuck, right. Safu guys, that's so funny. I'm sorry, but I mean, I never invested into them. Not that I didn't believe in them, but just never did. But personally, I wouldn't touch it after they've had issues.
Donnie, ain't you just waking up?
Yeah, mate.
Oh, sound like you're at sleep.
Yeah. No, just stretching. Becoming old.
Hey, it happens to all of us. Look at Shane.
Uh,
Right.
Oh,
Yeah, we need something, dude. Something positive needs to hit. Somebody needs to fucking come out.
What's this? Oh, Swing Trade Pros. Get off the fucking glow sticks, BlackSheep. What is that on YouTube?
Hello, everybody. Welcome back to the weekly live stream.
Oh, is this live?
I'm just kidding.
Yes.
What's up, guys? How are we doing? We have a weekly candle close coming here in about 1 minute or so. Actually, it's closing right now. All right. So technically, well, I don't have the best of news. Tether just closed a weekly bullish engulfing candle, and Bitcoin just closed a weekly bearish engulfing candle. Okay.
yeah.
So that's not necessarily good news, but you know we still have this candle right here. This 26.360 area is still a valid bullish engulfing candle on the weekly chart. Until we close below this candle, I am still bullish on the market. We are still holding these critical areas. We're still in the long-term.
We're streaming now.
It's pretty clear that we're still in this uptrend, and there's really nothing to worry about as of right now.
You told him we're streaming.
Thank you so much, Steve, for doing that. We appreciate that. And IJ Money, what's up, dude? You're always first in the stream. God bless you, man. Landscaper, what's up, bro? Hey, Zeus, how's it going? I'm going to put on some tunes here, and we'll get this show on the road. All right. Let's see if I can find something that's good. All right. So like I said before, you know, weekly bearish engulfing candles across the board. You know, not really a lot of price action last week. Really just did a whole bunch of nothing burger. Like we saw a 5% swing last week on Bitcoin. Not really a lot of price action. We had some altcoins doing some things, some crazy things, right? Like YGG breaking out of a a major falling wedge pattern, right? There's your major falling wedge break. This thing did a massive move. Look at that volume spike. So gaming coins doing some things while Bitcoin's doing a bunch of nothing, and that's noteworthy, right? We should probably be paying attention to that sector, right? So GALA is another one that started to make a move. Hasn't broke out of this structure just yet. Awesome, Shane. Thank you so much, brother. So GALA, if we're looking at gaming coins, GALA is one to look at. Sitting down here at probably a nice value area. 2.3 cents. The low here from January was 1.5, so really not too far off these lows. Okay, and you guys know about the wedge patterns here. We love these. They usually bode pretty well. And let's go to GALA real quick. I got the node squeeze indicator on this chart. So GALA, still throwing this daily short signal here, but let's go to the weekly on GALA. Yeah, I mean, we're in a squeeze on the weekly chart. Again, we were showing some bearish signals, some bearish signs right now. Really, probably just some consolidation for Bitcoin and the rest of the market. And so let's take a look at that on a squeeze and really get an idea of what's happening here, right? So we did just get a weekly bearish cross on the stochastics. We haven't had a weekly bearish cross really since April. Okay, so not the best news here. We are probably going to trend towards down the bottom of this Bollinger Band. And you can see the volume did kind of taper off here. So I would say there is a big movement coming. And the fact of the matter is Bitcoin hasn't really done too much. We haven't really seen a lot of selling pressure. We haven't really seen a lot of volatility in Bitcoin. It's really just stagnating, right? Just sideways price action, really indecision of what's happening in this market. But we know we broke out of a falling wedge pattern. We almost did a 50% retracement. The fact of the matter is we're sitting above the 382 fib extension right now, which is that $28,000 region. As long as we continue to make these higher lows, I think this uptrend's still intact. In terms of the day-to-day price action, well, the daily chart on Bitcoin is sitting down here in bearish control zone 36 on the RSI. We did get a daily bearish cross down, but we're sort of in the buy zone right now, right, guys? This is the buy zone for the daily chart. And the 2-day also tagging the bottom zone here, right? Every single time we get down to these lows, should be cognizant of that. All right, but I still think we could see some maybe more consolidation or downside price action on Bitcoin until we really hit a demand area. And I'm looking right here, 28.3K is really probably that region where we go to, okay? And we're going to look at the dollar and some other assets here. The dollar, looking like it's pointing up right now, right? It's going to try to maybe break out of this triangle here. The daily, maybe we get a bit of a pullback on the daily chart. Maybe retest the bottom part of this triangle before it actually does break out of here. Maybe we get one more retest of this 101 region before maybe it attempts a rally. Okay, and if it does attempt a rally, all risk assets are going to pull back, and we're going to look at the NASDAQ. And we're going to look at the equities market because the equities market looks kind of toppy. All right. Here's the NASDAQ right now, the futures on the NASDAQ, and here's the weekly chart. And we're literally pulling right back, right at the median channel here of the long-term channel on the NASDAQ. All right. So the uptrend's still intact. We haven't breached the trend line, but remember, guys, we did an 88.6% retracement. We're right at an area of confluence, like literally perfect to the T, the 886, okay? And usually when you do something like that, you can see how extended the RSI we are. I mean, obviously we're super bullish, right? 76 is bullish control zone, right? But why can't we pull back and get out of overbought and then stay bullish and go overbought again? We can. And so that's what I want to warn you guys of is this right here is something to watch out for because this looks like a massive rising wedge type of structure. And, you could argue that maybe we're, maybe making a double top, right? And we could see something like this happen. We could totally see something like that happen. So just be aware of that. The equities market looks kind of topped out. All right, on the monthly chart, you know, we just started August here. We haven't yet engulfed last month's candle, but we could see that the weekly chart is topped out, right? So, and if we go to like the 2-day chart, you can see that we're starting to make these lower highs. And, you know, we got this trend line right here that we broke and we back tested it. Yeah, I mean, the NASDAQ's up 0.25% right now. It's really nothing. Tomorrow we could really see a lot of selling pressure come in. You know, this to me looks like kind of bear flag stuff. Yeah, we're sitting towards the bottom of this range right now, but yeah, I would say the next level for the NASDAQ here is 15,229 to 786. If we start losing these critical levels here, you guys know what happens. We just kind of trade lower, right? So I would say we have a major level. We do have a major level of support here. We're pretty close to it. We'll take a look at those, Toe. No problem. Give me a second. I'm just covering the equities market here. We have a major level of support there at 1440. And I think right now those are our probable downside targets, right? But yeah, I mean, maybe not a rising wedge, maybe just a channel up. And a channel up, we could go to the bottom of the channel and retest here and try to make a rally out, okay? So it may not be as bearish as I'm kind of throwing it off to be, but the weekly chart definitely needs a reset. The daily already started its reset, and we got a bounce right here at 46, so that's good. All right, so we could see some movement back up here in the short term. Maybe tomorrow we get a bounce, but maybe over the course of the next couple of weeks, we're probably going to see pullback, all right? And S&P, you know, same kind of chart. In fact, it's almost identical to the NASDAQ, all right? You know, here's your long-term S&P. Actually, let's just go to this spot. The whole picture. All right, so here's your S&P long-term chart. Back test the channel, and we've done pretty much exactly what the NASDAQ did. The 88.6% retracement from the swing high to the swing low, and we're putting in you know, a bearish engulfing candle on the weekly there, and yeah, it just looks very toppy right now. And we're pretty close to breaking that right there. We bounced off of it, and this is the type of stuff that if we start breaking it, you know, we could be looking at a major move down, right? Right, because this is a long-term channel, and we are towards the bottom of the channel. If we start breaking it and back testing it as resistance, which after you do an 88.6% retracement, it would make a lot of sense for you to pull back, right? Like, here's your weekly, man. Does this looks like it's an area of value? No. And that's where we're at. We're going to probably see some sector rotation. Yes, wild man. I agree with that. There's definitely some areas of the market that are not overbought, and probably see money rotate. We're going to see some money rotate. But if the dollar's going to rip, it's going to be tough for risk assets to really perform, okay? So, yeah. That's what I got for the NASDAQ and the S&P right now. The dollar, we kind of went through that. We're going to start covering some other altcoins here. We'll cover Combo. We gave a setup on Combo. I think it actually already started breaking out. So we're going to take a look at that. So Combo here on the weekly. I have no data on this thing. Anyways, you can see the volume. We got a nice spike in volume here. We have a wedge break. I would say your first major target is the 70-cent region for Combo. That would confirm that this is the bottom for this asset. So that looks pretty good. Not overbought. Definitely not overbought. You know, sitting at 41 on the daily RSI with all this crazy amount of divergence. I forget what I charted this on to really look at that. Was it the daily chart? I guess so. Maybe it was maybe it was the KuCoin chart. Anyways, this asset looks good. It looks like it's building lots of divergence here, falling wedge type of setups here on this asset. So it looks good. Total 2, we'll take a look at that, sure. So total 2 on the daily, we're getting a daily cross up here. So altcoins, you know, it might be time for altcoins to outperform Bitcoin while Bitcoin consolidates and or pulls back to that 28.3 region. And we can see somewhat of a falling wedge structure here on the total 2 chart. And let's go to the weekly. Yeah, the weekly doesn't really give us much of an edge here. Like the weekly stochastics are pointing down. The 2-day chart's already in the buy zone. All right, so I mean, we could see some negating of price action based off that. But let's draw our ranges here. So we have a clear range at top of the clear top of this range is, you know, right around that area, and our bottom range is here. You know, we're somewhere in between. We've just made a lower high. You know, we haven't really been able to produce a higher high, and you know, we have our major range low here for now. And that's kind of what we're looking at on total 2 right now. In terms of, you know, what kind of structure we're in, well, we did actually break this downtrend, okay? We broke the downtrend, we rallied up to the resistance and pulled back and made a higher low or the same low. And we're just kind of in the middle of a range right here, guys. So not really too much in terms of, you know, what we can really look to expect here. Last week we put a bearish engulfing candle in. You know, nothing really telling us crazy things are about to really just happen yet for the altcoin market. Let's go to our monthly chart. Monthly chart, you know, sitting at 46 and pointing down. Not really a good look there. So what have we really done in terms of retracement from this swing high? I don't think much. We've done a 23.6% retracement. That's very weak. So the altcoin market's very weak right now. You know, you would at least expect to see a 38.2% retracement in a bear market. So, you know, if we were to get continuation, I would say, you know, 730 billion might be our target, because Bitcoin almost did a 50% retracement. So I would say it's possible we could get up to this level here. Okay. And we're going to look at Bitcoin dominance, because that's going to play a lot into the factor of what the altcoin market does. We are approaching this major trend line here on Bitcoin dominance on the monthly chart. And you can see the monthly stochastics are topped out here, okay, on Bitcoin dominance. So we could start to see the money rotate into altcoins, okay? Let's go to the 2-day chart. The 2-day stochastics are ticked up here. And we are, to draw this right. All right, so it's still within the bounds of this channel or this rising wedge or whatever you want to call this. I would say it's more so a channel than a rising wedge, but you do have a bit of rising wedge sort of stuff happening here. Okay, so yeah, I mean, Bitcoin dominance on the monthly overbought, weekly, you know, getting a reset or about to get a reset. So we'll see, man. I mean, if this pushes up, it's going to be tough for altcoins to really perform. But after white candles, we typically do get a reversal, right? But yeah, we'll see how that goes. Let's get a major Fibonacci retracement. All right, so we're pretty close to that 38.2% retracement level from our swing high, our real swing high up here, okay? Major swing high. Okay. So yeah, Bitcoin dominance still intact until it breaks the trend line. If we break this trend line, then Bitcoin dominance just dumps. We could see altcoins really outperform Bitcoin. But until then, You know, you're going to have ones that do outperform, but most of them are not going to outperform. All right. Oil. Let's look at oil. Sure. Oil looking actually kind of bullish, right? So let's take a look at it. I'm going to use that I'm not going to count that wick because that was the COVID low and that was the crash, right? So oil is above a major level here. You can see now we broke out of this level and we basically broke below it. And then we went back above it on the monthly chart here. Monthly stochastics ticked up. This looks pretty bullish. We're probably going to see oil break to the top of the range at some point. And that's what it's looking like, man. I mean, weekly stochastics are topping up, but we haven't crossed down yet. So we definitely could see that this is definitely got room to run on the weekly chart. And, you know, broke a major trend line here on the weekly. You know, this looks like maybe a wedge of sorts that you broke out of. So oil looking pretty strong right now. We'll look at gold here too. It's going to be tough for gold to perform if the dollar is trending up. And yeah, you can see we got a deviation outside of the major trend line there that I had drawn. We actually got a weekly bearish engulfing candle. Good evening, Joe. So yeah, the weekly bearish engulfing candle there. I mean, I guess it's still within the bounds, right? So yeah, still within the bounds of the whatever this is up here, consolidation, a channel, whatever you want to call it. So yeah, we'll see how gold performs here. I mean, yesterday's candle was a good candle, like a bullish engulfing. And, you know, I broke out of this wedge, but yeah, I mean, back testing, still making higher lows so far, but not able to produce a higher high. You know, 1979 is your major level of resistance right now on gold, but you could see gold do the break, man. This would be a technical double bottom if this is confirmed. If you get a break above 1979, then that is double bottom stuff, and we could measure from the low to the range high here, a 4% move after you get up there and break above it, which would take us to almost new all-time highs on gold, almost. All right, natural gas. Natural gas looks like it bottomed out down here for sure. Let's go to the monthly chart. Yeah, not really so much of a parallel chart. I guess you could draw it this way because this was like a fake break, right? You have your major resistance level here. You're holding it. You're holding on it right now. Okay, so you got a nice monthly bullish engulfing candle that's still active here on natural gas. And until you break below that, I would say you're still going to maybe see continuation up. And I will say the weekly though is stochastic wise is looking topped out, right? But it could stay up here. As long as it stays up here, that means we could still see bullish price action. Because our 2-week is still pointed up, our 3-week is way down here, right? So, and our monthly is probably way down here. So, natural gas, longer term here, definitely going higher. All right, that's what this chart's telling me. And in terms of retracements from our swing high to our swing low, we've only done a 23.6% retracement, and it would make sense if we went anywhere from the 382 to the 618. So anywhere from $3.50 to about $5. Is the common retracement levels after a major move down like that. Sure, we'll look at XRP. XRP still in the pennant. Monthly chart. Stochastics are still pointing up. Your weekly stochastics are kind of pointing down right now. Your 2 week is still up here, but looks like it's crossing down, but hasn't, crossed below the 80 line. I would say XRP still looks good from the longer term charts here. The only thing is we want to see, so far we got a rejection at this pennant, okay? Like we had a breakthrough and we didn't see follow through price action here. We broke out of this, this ascending triangle. It would make sense for a retest of 58 cents on the longer term timescales here. Let's go to our quarterly chart. Our quarterly chart here, we've got about a month left. We're still not broken out. But the quarterly stochastics look great. Absolutely look fantastic down here. So your outlook here long-term on XRP is extremely bullish looking to me, okay? All right. Look at XLM, sure. I already posted a chart on XLM on TradingView. The falling wedges, all right? Again, 3 month stochastics looking great. 2 month also looking great. Monthly poised for upside. So yes, I'm of the belief that XLM can go up to test the top of the range at some point. That would be the entire wedge movement up there at 52 cents. And you could draw a trend line right here. And this looks like a major ascending triangle, okay? And if you break the major ascending triangle from the bottom of the triangle to the top of the triangle is about a 5,000% move. I don't know if we're going to see that, but a 5,000% move would be absolutely insane. That would be like a $30 XLM. But yeah, I have the 1272, kind of circled here at the end of the cycle. We might see a $5 XLM. That's possible. It's definitely possible. Not going to say it's not. I've seen this market do stupid stuff in the bull market. So, but for right now, I don't think we're going to see any crazy stuff like that happen until Bitcoin really goes into its bull market. So we need to see Bitcoin get above that 30, I'd say that 35K region. But yeah, XLM looks great here. Right, you've got a nice breakout. You could see some consolidation and maybe a retest of the break.
What up, Ultima?
What's happening?
Hey, dude, what's up, man?
Happy Sunday, son.
Happy Sunday, Dad. We're just checking out the stocks on the next pizza rolls, man.
We got some altcoins moving right now.
Can you do some charting on Drip?
Audio coin is on the move.
Put them wrecked.
Yeah.
Looks like you put in maybe some sort of swing low here, right? Holding that trend line. And you got your major top of your range up here. So this could be, rounding some sort of triangle down here. Drip. Oh my God, Drip.
Oh shit, dude. My Doge long I've had going for like a week is really close to getting fucking
So Drip attempted a rally out here, back tested this parallel channel and rejected it. You're at the 1618 from your swing low to swing high just from this range. And I would say your major target here is really nothing here, man. You can see 3 cents. That's the 1272 major fib extension, man. This thing just gets sold. So there's no buying pressure on this asset. It's a yield generating asset that is obviously not generating any yield. And yeah, it's a complete shitcoin. Yep. Doesn't look good, man. Doesn't look good at all. Monthly candle, probably a bearish engulfer. Yeah. Awful. Not looking too hot on drip, dude. It is price discovery downwards, yes.
Fucking drip.
So let's look at some stocks because I think there is still some stocks that are doing well. I took a risk on this one on Friday, and the reason why I did that was because I liked what I was seeing on this chart on the weekly, and the 2-week chart. Although this stock doesn't really get much trading volume, they have earnings tomorrow, and this is a wedge pattern. And I took this trade off the 2-day time scale. I like the cross up here. RSI still down here at 38, 39. And if we do get a wedge break, this could be a pretty significant move up. And it won't take a lot to push it because there's not a lot of trading volume on this asset. We want to look at Hex. All right, now he's joking. All right, cool. Upwork. I don't know if any of you guys took the Upwork trade, man, but we are lit on this one, up 68%. We touched the 38.2% retracement level. Obviously, probably a take profit area. I have this up to about $25. That's close to the 618. But yeah, falling wedge breakout. We got an entry down here right before it broke out here. And this is a beautiful chart, man. Monthly chart looks great. Yes, Upwork is up, man. Look at that monthly candle on Upwork. Monthly stochastics poised for upside here. What a great trade setup this was, man. FXS, sure, we can take a look at it, man. Lucid's probably going to rip, yeah. It's down at the bottom for sure. All right, so FXS on the monthly. Monthly stochastics look great, getting a nice cross up there. 3-week also about to cross up, 2-week crossing up. Weekly poised, man. So I have nothing bad to say about this asset down here. Momentum is swinging back to the upside on this asset. No idea what it does. Doesn't really matter. We can see, maybe some sort of long-term channel up type of structure on this thing. We can draw a trend line from here. This is where you're looking for a breakout. Okay, you're getting really close to a breakout on this asset here. Say, hey, whoever suggested this one, nice call, man. This looks pretty nice. From your swing low to your swing high, you've done a 61.8% retracement from this low. And it looks like you have some price compression happening here. And if you do break this trend line, you will see some upside. And the weekly, the 2-week, the 3-week, the monthly, all pointing up, man. I mean, there is nothing else you really want to see as a swing trader. When they all align like that, you're looking at a major move, potentially to the upside, all right? And that right there is key, okay? So you get a break of this level here, this range, this $7 range. I don't see why you don't test up to about $12. And there's really nothing here. It went straight down. And so the top of this range here is this 38.2% retracement level, which would be about that $13 region. And, if Bitcoin doesn't just start collapsing and the markets don't just start collapsing, then the TA should be respected, and you will probably see this asset go up. All right.
Check out Afri.
Nice chart. Lucid. Technically out of the wedge right now on the weekly chart. Weekly stochastics kind of topping out here, maybe coming back down. 2-week chart. 2-week crossing up still. So, all right, we might still have some juice left in the tank here. 3-week looking good. Monthly at the bottom, all right? So the only thing here is you could see a retest of, maybe this 618 level first because the weekly's coming down. Let's go to our 2-day chart. Our 2-day is also pointing down. So shorter time scales are pointing to the downside, which could just mean a retest of this low or near this low. So, yeah, I have this area plotted here, 622. If you start to see Lucid hold this 622 region and momentum oscillators start pointing back up, that could be an area where you might want to take a trade, okay? But for now, it looks like you broke this bottom of this range here, and we could be looking for a further move down. DLX, sure, I'll take a look at it, man.
After that one, check out Afri.
All right, so on the 4-hour, you've reached the range high on the 4-hour. We'll go to the monthly.
AFR.
He asked for the monthly chart.
AFRI.
He's not.
Yeah.
He's on his own stream, dude. You got to ask him.
Oh, he is.
Yeah. Here.
Oh, fuck.
We're
yeah,
just
he's not even in
simulcasting
here.
it for him.
AFRI. Is that what he said?
AFRI, yeah.
AFRI.
I'd say that's pretty close. Yeah, that's pretty close. They front ran this bottom of this channel here. Yeah, so nice long-term channel up on this asset. In terms of retracements, you've done
All right, I asked him.
I guess we should be plotting it from this previous low. All right, so let's do that.
Dude, because that's okay. Because when I was looking on the main channel,
So you did about a 50% retracement since the 2009 crash on this asset, and he didn't quite get to the bottom of the channel. So that's showing some strength, I would say. Holding this demand line pretty nicely. Monthly looks good. RSI's got room to run. Stochastic's poised for upside here. Weekly in bullish territory, but definitely getting extended on the weekly chart. Like I said before, you're definitely towards the top of a range, and you could see something like this happen where you maybe pull back to 1750 level. This is a big level, and you have a level here. You could see some short-term pullback, is what I'm trying to say. You did break, this area here. This was looking like a wedge that you broke. But if you do see continuation, you have the top of the range here at 24 bucks. And if you break 24 bucks, you're looking at these levels up here. 26 is a major level here. And then you're up to your 236 fib extension area, about that $32 region, which would be the top part of your resistance, right? Cool. I made a list of earnings calls for tomorrow. Let's see, what did I do with that?
Did you look at it?
These all have earnings tomorrow. I was looking at Sage for a potential long, right?
I don't think so.
Well, weekly stochastics are down here already.
Yeah,
but I'm really looking at like the shorter time scales, like the 2 and 3 day chart, and you're in the buy zone, right? You're in the buy zone, and you've just kind of back tested this major trend line that you broke out of, hit that 38.2% retracement, a little bit over that, and you've just came back down to retest this low, and you held the low, right? Because Friday, well, I would say you didn't really hold it just yet, but you bounced off of it, okay? I mean, I guess it's going to be tough for any asset to really rally in this condition where the dollar is going up. But yeah, I mean, this asset's not in an uptrend. And one could argue this was a rising wedge that was broken, or a bear flag even. But you've almost done the whole move down. So I think risk to reward wise, it's getting pretty close to that area where you would want to maybe take a trade on it after maybe some more confirmation of consolidating here. But it has earnings, so if the earnings aren't good, I guess we'll see the bottom of the range on this. And let's see, this one has earnings tomorrow. I haven't really charted this. Some of these stocks are so wrecked, man. I mean, I don't know. This thing looks like trash. I probably am not touching this stock, but I mean, the weekly looks like it's Got some bullish divergence down here. Upstart probably pulls back, man. That thing, I think that thing hit the 618 fib. All right. So we'll take a look at it, but pretty sure that it did. It made a major move out of this off this low, man. Remember, we called this out at what, 13 bucks. So yeah, you hit the 50% retracement level, and you know, you're starting to pull back here. You can see you're really extended, and you break that trend line, you're gonna dipsy doodle, man. That's it. All right. Rising wedge type of stuff happening after this major parabolic move. So yeah, definitely look to take profit on that. You know, got really close to that. You know, you could even this head and shoulders neckline here that it broke. Right, you guys see the head and shoulders that I made? So it made, you know, the right shoulder, the left shoulder, the right shoulder, and the head. You can see that, you know, it broke this and did a 78% move down. I think it did that. It did more than that. It did an 86% move down. So yeah, I mean, you know, we got the bottom here, or pretty close to it, and we got a nice run. And you know, we could see a pullback to like 30 bucks, right? And you know, maybe make this type of cup with handle type of structure for eventually an 886. All right. Man, look at this fucking stock. These things are wrecked, man. Jesus. So this is a stock maybe to consider a potential long on down here, right? With a 2-week bull div, and you're just kind of sitting down here, you know, below the major resistance level, you know, maybe some sort of wedge pattern formed there. And from the swing low of the COVID low there, it looks like that was a COVID low. No, that's February 2016. So you did almost a 78.6% retracement. So yeah, this could be at an area of value for this asset. No idea what it does. Commercial services. I mean, you are towards a range high on the daily though, so there's that. You know, and then you might want to watch this trend line here. If it holds this trend line and it breaks this range, there's no real resistance for a while on this thing. Like, well, let's look left on the chart. What do we really have here? This was like straight up shit. So like here, $13, man. Yeah, not really much up here. 13 or 15, and then you got the fib retracement at 19 bucks. So yeah, this could go, man. This could go. Could I see Firo? Yeah, sure. Firo. At a major level of resistance or a major trend line of resistance. All right, so your major support level here at $1 and change. You know, it looks like you're rolling over here on the weekly. You're, you know, you haven't rolled over on the weekly Stoics yet, but with the macro the way it is on Bitcoin, you know, with us pulling back right now, Bitcoin's under 29 right now. Tether's ripping. Yeah, I mean, you got a major support there at 150 to look at. You know, you start breaking 150, you're looking at the range low, 127. So no breakout, man. No breakout here. Monthly chart also not really looking too hot, man. Not really know why you want to me to look at this one, but cool. Let's see. Any other assets you guys want to look at? Near looking like it wants to break the bottom of this range here. Yeah, Bitcoin not looking too hot, man. Bear flagged. Well, it looks like our viewer count just went down. We had 12 people on here. Now we have 5. It must have been something I said. Look at ETH. No, we can look at it, though. ETH. Let's go get ETH. So, descending triangle type of stuff, I would say. Right, we're pretty well respecting the demand line here for now. We've started making lower highs. Our weekly is pointing down here right now. But no confirmed breakdown until we actually break this and confirm it as resistance. And let's see. So from our major swing low to swing high, we've done a 23 points. We did a 38.2% retracement, which obviously getting a reversal there is pretty bullish. But if we don't hold these areas, we're gonna see ETH come down to you could see it, man. If we start breaking 1700, we could be looking at 1300. I'm not getting super bearish right now, but I am going to be honest here. And any of that stuff can happen. Especially if we don't have momentum on our side. And especially if we don't have, one second. Grab my phone real quick. Well, a good thing is I didn't get stopped out of my trade yet. So that's good. We're still in a long on near here at the bottom of this range. So let's hope that this range low holds and maybe this double bottoms. And Bitcoin is, just doing a bunch of nothing, man. It's like not even being phased by this push up here. I mean, yeah, this is bear flagged right now. Yeah, this doesn't look good, right? We can't even get back above 29K right now. Let's see if we can. But Nice integrity. Yes, we didn't get stopped out. Our stop is at 132.8. So 132.8 is our stop, which is a little bit of, like right around this low right here. So if we were really going to break down, it's gonna stop me out. But yeah, I mean, some of these altcoins are just so wrecked, man. Like it's really difficult for me to believe and really think that a lot of these are going to make new lows. Like Bitcoin's really got to crash, man. And there's really no volatility at all in Bitcoin right now. So very boring market.
Yeah.
Man, I thought you guys killed the stream or something. I was like, wait, what the hell happened?
No.
It wouldn't shock me if NEAR went back up to like $3. Like, why not? That's a major level of resistance. Bounced there, it broke down there, it retested as resistance, it came down to this range low again and bounced off this low, made a scrub rally, and it's still holding above that low. So to me, I mean, it's tough for me to really be super bearish down here, but it's holding this level until it isn't. If it doesn't hold this level, it will come straight down to 118, right? So
sure.
Is it I'm not. It wasn't it. If you're in the last one, hard to see.
Solana actually looks not bad on the daily chart, right? Let's go to the weekly. So Solana did a 50% retracement from the swing low to the swing high. You broke this major level of resistance. You got a break. This is a descending, broadening formation, and these break to the upside 72% of the time, and they typically go back up to the top of the wedge. All right. You're right around the 38.2% retracement level. You're just below it right now. But it looks like, you could be holding this major level here as support for now. These wicks, right? 1, 2, 3, these wicks right here on the weekly. You go to regular candles, you can probably see it a bit better. There you go. So your daily chart, yeah, holding above a major support here. Down sloping and consolidating. I wouldn't say this looks bad. You can maybe argue that this is a flag of sorts.
Okay.
After a break, and your daily chart is pointing up. Your 2-day chart is about to point up. Your weekly chart, your weekly chart's not doing any of that. But let's go to like the 2 week. 2 weeks still holding on to the momentum, and your RSI is really neutral, right? So, yeah, I mean, you can't possibly be really bearish right now. You have a low and a higher low, and you got a bit of a break, and you might get a retest, right? And then, you might get a move up after that. So that's it. You might see that. The 2 week stochastics are pointing up here. The 3 week stochastics are pointing up. The monthly stochastics are pointing up. And your monthly RSI is neutral. So you're in the buy zone on the monthly chart. Looks good from a technical perspective. The day-to-day price action, you could see a retest of the range lows, retest the range highs, right? Ping pong around for a bit.
Shane, so what are we gonna do, Shane? What's the game plan, baby?
We're gonna go get jobs at McDonald's.
I didn't say all that now. I was thinking a delivery job, honestly. I was thinking like
I was
DoorDash.
thinking, yeah, I figure you're more of like a Walmart greed.
Attica was like it on the smaller timescales, but
Yeah.
the macro isn't helping.
Well, like I told you about a month or two ago,
the monthly accounts are pretty down.
I'll
So
take a
that's not
dishwasher
good.
job with
Your
no fucking
wages are
responsibility.
going up, so you have a little bit
Yeah,
of
right.
Yeah, just give me a
conflict
dishwasher job, no responsibility.
there. So maybe
So
you
if I
want to go to the 2
fucking
weeks
smoke a joint on my fucking break, I can.
and
Or
the weekly
you know
is
what I'm saying?
also
Just
about the cross.
I'm talking as little responsibility as possible.
Oh, that's a sick car, dude.
What is it?
A GT2 RS. So you remember the Porsche that I rented?
Yep.
That's the step up from it.
Nice.
That's like the over $500,000, I think, at this point.
Yeah.
Those are hard to get a hold of. Damn. Well, they must be on the Autobahn or something. Oh yeah, on the Autobahn, yeah.
Yeah, because Drip's hurting right now. Drip's hurting me. Drip's like a big old tight bear hug right now.
What is that? That's like what, 200-ish miles an hour?
That's fucking crazy.
What do you hit? 330?
Yeah, or more.
Wow. Yeah, I don't like going that fast.
330. 205.
I'm still moving.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It might have even got a little higher than 330 because I wasn't paying attention until it started getting like over 3. I was like, oh shit. Man, that thing just whooshed by him.
Yeah, 340. Basically 350.
249, 349. I mean.
Yeah, 216.
200, almost 217. That's fucking fast. That's way faster than I've ever gone on a motorcycle, and I've gone fast. Look at that thing, dude. Oh my god. But that thing is a straight race car, dude.
Yeah. Is that different? Oh, that's different than you were doing the GT3, right?
Yeah, the GT3 is the one that I rented. So the GT2 is the next step up from that. The GT2, I think, is the one that Mr. Big always talks about as his dream car.
The number went down, but it got better.
Yeah, the GT2 RS.
Or it
right?
went up and it got worse.
PCM, are you watching right now? I think that's his dream, like his ultimate dream car.
I think he's on a Node stream.
Probably annoying him over there.
All right. Well, I'm done here today, guys. If you I don't know if you want to stay on or what.
Man, I'm so close to getting fucking liquidated on my Doge trade.
Ooh.
Wait a week.
How much did you put
not
in the
much.
trade?
20-something bucks.
$20.
But
Well, you put how much did you put in there altogether though?
Oh, well, it was for I put 25 in there with 10x leverage, but then I had like $106 or something backing it.
Okay, and your what's your lick price?
0.7240.
What are you on Pancake Swap too?
Yep.
How do you like that? Cheap
I
keeps
don't.
trying to talk
I
to
don't
me.
like this one. I think I'm on the V2 version. He uses the V1.
What's the difference?
The V1, like it looks more like Binance when we used to do that with Wick Hunter.
Okay.
And V2 is on chain, and I don't think V1 is.
Your lick price is what?
0724.
Oh, no, you should be fine. It fucking breaks down.
I'm down like 74% right now, or 64%, 64.
Ouch.
Oh, I'm down on a lot of my trades, but
Thank God it's not a big
Hang on.
dollar amount.
Yeah. Oh, that can only be BSC though, huh? For pancakes, well.
Yeah, I think so. No, I think they do
See
allow
what
you.
happens.
I seen that crypto.com fucking doing like kind of like a binary options type thing. Like, is it gonna be up or down? But
Is
I
that
know-
what binary options is? Where you're betting the up or down?
Yeah, up or down within a time frame.
Yeah.
So
I
what
checked
are
it out, but
non-binary
it's not really
options
working.
then?
Non-binary options is no time frame.
Oh, I was thinking no penis or vagina, but non-binary nowadays has a different meaning, buddy.
Yeah, in your world, I don't want to go
Not
to
in my world. I
go to
don't live in
Shane's-
Cali.
I don't want to go to Shane World.
You got me fucked up. I don't live in Cali.
You know what I'm saying I didn't. That's not what I think of when I hear about binary options.
I think, oh, great. E&J don't know what he is.
I know what I am. I'm a fucking male.
Oh,
shit!
I got
there he
kids.
is.
Oh,
I was just about to call it, but yeah, you can charge some more if you want.
I mean, you guys heard everything, right? So I don't really have.
Yeah, we watched most of it.
I don't really
we
have
streamed
much,
almost
yeah.
your whole.
I don't.
stream
I don't.
here.
Unfortunately, don't really have any really good news to talk about right
Did you get
now.
my Kyber uppercut comment?
Yeah, I saw that. Yeah, I mean, Bitcoin just putting another early buy dot here on yesterday. So maybe tomorrow we see some price action. If the dollar just decides to shit itself, that would be great. Because the dollar on the daily chart doesn't look very good.
You want to share your screen?
Sharing it.
All right, there you go.
So the squeeze is telling us that the dollar could come down. Dollar comes down, Bitcoin should go up. We'll see. I would like that to happen. That'd be great.
Yeah, that'd be cool. Bitcoin shitting all over my trades.
The only thing I understood is we should be shorting.
I wouldn't really recommend shorting stuff because most of these assets are down 90+%. Mostly maybe just waiting for retests of range lows. So if you want to short something that's at a range high, sure.
Like what should I short? If I got like $200 in, I'm saying what's a decent short, you think? Because everything's at the bottom, everything's about to pop.
Yeah, I'm really not interested in shorts down here. AVAX broke out of the wedge.
About fucking time.
I mean, I guess you could short AXS, but I don't know. Good luck. I'm not shorting anything. I'm in a long trade right now.
I say everything's at the bottom right now.
Yeah, I mean, well, that's arguable, right? Because like, what happens if Bitcoin shits itself? Then we're not at a bottom, right?
You heard it. Short Bitcoin. No, fucking around.
No, I wouldn't be looking to short it. I would just just stay in cash, man. If you're not sure, I personally, I'm not shorting stuff. I'm looking to long stuff right now.
Yeah. No, fucking my drip account. I've been living off drip for like the last 2 years, and I'm like, man, now I'm fucking trying to reach out for vines. Like, man, what's a good vine? You know what I'm saying?
DYDX might actually break out. That is a nice consolidation there. Yeah. Right. The daily stochastics are poised for upside here. You're at a major, maybe resistance level there, but if it consolidates here for long enough and holds this region, like look at the hourly chart. It looks like you might see some upside here.
Yeah, that's
Did you catch that one that DS was asking for? I missed it. If you did,
I don't think he saw that.
Well, do you remember what it was, Shane?
No, I don't. I'm the one that typed it too. I just don't remember what it was.
It was something with an I.
AFDI or something. ADFI.
Not sure.
What's Clover posting?
Starting to go green right now, so that's a good sign. But like a lot of these assets, pointing up on, daily time scales, right? Like NEAR is in the buy zone right now, right? It's down here, and, like the 12-hour stochastics. Yeah, I mean, we got a cross up, but you didn't really see much price action. I don't know. Shit's like fucking sideways and like not clear. So, but when you're at a range low, it's really stupid to take a short trade. So I'm in a long trade because usually when you're at a range low, you get some sort of reaction off the low, even if it's not a big move. I was definitely being greedy and I didn't take profit here, but that's okay. But the reason being is because usually when you're at a range low, you go and retest the range high. I mean, it could take a couple days, but sometimes these assets just rip like 20, 30% in one candle. Boom.
Yeah.
Yep. I know, like, what was it? ApeCoin just did that, I think. Yeah.
Yeah, ApeCoin put a nice little scam wick in right here. Boom, scam wick. Yeah, that like retested it retested that fucking whatever that is there. Probably going to redraw this now, but yeah, it retested the trend line that it was supposed to break out of, but didn't. No volume, dude. Not enough volume. Right? There's no volume here. So it failed break.
Yeah. Well,
There's always Walmart door greener positions.
I'm thinking more like DoorDash, maybe. Or I might have to go back to, some of my old school talents. And I don't want to talk about that.
Yeah, good.
Oh.
Idea.
It was AFRI. Like Afro,
is that a shitcoin?
I don't know. I've never heard of it.
AFRI.
It's a stock, AFRI. Okay, yeah, it is a stock. I mean, what the fuck is this chart, dude?
Right?
Weekly just telling us that it's a sell. Like, look, crossing down, confirmed. You haven't seen follow through price action on the selling yet, but you're in a very tight range, right? Between 12 and 950. Not really too much.
So you said it. You're telling DS it's a shit coin, right? It was
I mean, the monthly chart looks okay, but I mean,
okay.
The weekly can pull back a bit. Yeah, the daily looks like you might see some downside.
It's a shit stock.
Yeah, does it even get volume? It gets no volume, bro. Why are you fucking in this crap?
Because he's DS, the CEO of H&W.
Pizza rolls.
There you go. Pizza rolls.
There you have it.
Pizza rolls, dude.
So 1 inch is holding a critical level. This 30-30 region is a critical spot for 1 inch. I feel like somebody was asking me about that.
Inch.
Yeah, I'm holding my 1 inch right now. Yeah, I mean, like I said, a lot of these coins are at range lows, man. I mean, don't don't really want to short stuff at range lows. So, and yeah, that's it. It's really that simple. You short a range low, good luck to you. If you really get a breakdown, amazing. But I don't know that we're going to see a major breakdown right now.
All right. So if I was going to long, what would be a good thing that's getting ready to pop?
You know what looked good before was Dodo coin. Dodo coin.
Just the name alone, like, oh shit, he's talking shit about me or something. He's calling me a dodo.
Yep.
Like, hey, no, buy Dodo coin, Dodo.
Trust me, that's the nicest thing he calls you.
Here, bro. What do you want?
No, I'm just like, asking for you to, just throw some shit against the wall.
Give me some money and put it in a trade for me.
No.
Here, dude. You got weekly bullish divergence on this asset. The 2-day is poised. It's about to go bullish on the 2-day chart. You're in a major triangle down here.
Oh wow.
Yeah, this to me looks like
Dodo right there.
That's Dodo bird right there.
On what? What chain?
I think it's on BNB, I believe.
Nice. I got a little bit of that.
Yeah, that looks good, man. Big triangle. You break out of that triangle, man, you're going to see a major effing move.
Nice.
No doubt about it. 20 cents.
I'm just asking you what, saying what a lot of people want to ask, but,
15 cents, I would say the target if we get a breakout. Like,
What was
no
that right
doubt,
now?
if it breaks out, it's going to go straight to 15 cents. It's at 9.8 cents. You're better off just buying it on spot. I don't think this thing gets a lot of volume. So this is a shit coin, but this shit coin can really make a major move.
Yeah, we love shit coins.
I know. That's why I told you about it.
Hey, I still want you to set up a fucking poker game and shit on a site so we could hang out and get like 6 or 10 players and shit to,
Sure.
There's some bragging rights.
Yeah. OXT is another one. This one is about to break out of its wedge. Another shitcoin. Less of a shitcoin than Dodo Bird, I think. But yeah. Look at the 2-week chart. I mean, this looks great. This thing's going to make a major move. That looks crazy, dude.
Yeah, all these shit coins are starting to pop right now. Bitcoin's just going south.
Yeah. Unfi is another one. I mean, I'm actually have a bag of this thing. Look at this thing. This thing looks nuts. This thing looks like shitcoin before it broke out, right?
Yeah.
Descending triangle, right?
Yeah.
Looks interesting. Looks interesting.
Oh shit.
Nothing like the bottom of a bear market.
Yeah.
Just pick a shit coin and fucking sit on it for a year, dude.
Every time I think the bear market we're at the bottom, it just goes lower.
You know what? Someone said to me that we could see some more downside on altcoins. I was like, maybe. We could.
I hope you punched them right in their dick, though, for saying
We could, man. We could. I mean, like, let's not be, like, what's another 50% down? Who cares, right? At this point.
That's even a job for BlackSheep. Another 50% down. Oh, yeah.
What do you think of Doge? You think it'll come down and liquidate him at 724?
$724?
That's where my liquidation is. Yeah.
Yeah, I could definitely do that. Why not?
Yeah.
That's what I'm thinking at this point, dude. It's been going down, down, down. See, I haven't traded in forever, and then I was like, okay, cool. I'm gonna
technically, it's broken out.
Is it?
Yeah.
Yep.
But again, another descending triangle breakout, right, for Doge. But the daily looks okay. How's your 12-hour looking? Yeah, the 12-hour is not really giving us an edge. No real edge here, man. But
worst case, you can always add like another $20. That'll take your liquidation down a lot.
Well, I can't figure out how to do it on this V2 version. That's why I want to do it on the V1 next time.
Yeah,
Like I
so
can't figure out how to add more. And everything.
724 is like fucking right here, dude.
Yeah, I know.
I know.
You're cutting it close, bro.
I know.
It's like right on his fucking ball.
Yeah,
sack.
because this thing can just fucking come down and retest this level, bounce off it, make another lower high, and then maybe make one more.
Yeah,
like
it's gonna
that.
come down and it's gonna liquidate Shane and then rip.
It could do something like this and then just go.
Basically, that's probably what'll happen.
I think he was bullish on Dydex.
You're shorting it?
Dydex.
Good luck to you.
Shorting.
Good luck.
You're shorting an asset that's down 90-something%. Good luck to you. Good fucking luck.
Joseph Smith. When ENJ
Here you
gets
go,
a job,
man.
I know where.
Here you go, bro. Here's DYDX, man, on the monthly chart. You want to short this thing? This thing was $28 at one point. So good luck shorting it. Have fun. Seriously. It hasn't even done like a 23%. Okay, it did a 38.2% retracement. Cool. And you're shorting it. What's the reason for shorting it? Your daily's pointing up, bro. Good luck. Good luck. Your RSI is bullish on the daily. If anything, I'd be looking to enter a long trade here because it put in a range low. It's just been making higher lows off this range low. It's not like it's making lower lows. It's making higher lows. Started making higher lows. You have a trend line here that you're respecting. And you're in, this looks to me like some sort of flag pattern. Good luck short. Good luck on your short. Make sure you have a stop loss there. Yeah. And yeah, this is a major level of support. That's it broke below and got back above and just retested it as support again. So yeah, I think that this thing is actually going to go up, not down. A short would be good at the range high, man. Like maybe 222, right here, right? Like
short USDT dominance because it's starting to break down.
That's good, man. Good. I'm glad to hear that. I need to hear that. Daily stochastics pointing down. That's good. 12-hour pointing down, 8-hour pointing down, 4-hour pointing down. Everything's pointing down. We're gonna rip. We're gonna
Moon boys, yay!
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, we didn't quite close that 743, but it looks like it's heading right back down there.
Yeah, if it does break below that, I think we're going to see some fireworks.
Nice.
Yeah. It's going down there right now. Let's see it. We're going to see some altcoins just fucking rip, dude. We're going to see some altcoins rip. YGG, let's go. I'm lit. I'm fucking lit. Look at this wedge break, bro. Look at this wedge break. Look at this fucking thing. Yeah. Look at that fucking wedge break, dude. Woo! Look at that look at that volume bar. Yeah. I bought this so long ago, and I've just been sitting on it because I saw this wedge forming. I think my entry is like 52 cents. So I'm not even up that much on it, but there's nothing here. It could literally go straight to $1. See you there. I'll sell it there. Fuck it. Double up and get out.
Let's do it.
Yeah.
Yep. That's my target every time.
Band protocol, man. Look at band protocol down here. This looks good. This looks good. Lena just threw a long, dude. We were shorting this thing the other day. Remember?
Yeah, I know. I've been watching it. Yeah, because that thing's a mover, dude. That motherfucker, when it rips, it rips.
Oh yeah, this thing is a low liquidity shitcoin, but when it rips, it's gonna rip. Look at the weekly stochastics just crossed up on it. Yeah, dude, this thing is probably going to rip. What about GALA? GALA looks pretty good down here, too. I was thinking about maybe scooping along on this. I didn't do it yet.
So I was thinking about putting in a short at the top there, and I didn't enter it, but it sure as fuck went short.
GALA on support, on hourly support here, in demand zone on the hourly. And yeah, dude, look at that. Bounce right off the bearish control zone. GALA gaming.
AVAX ripping, synthetics ripping. Synthetics is fucking popping right now, dude. I like it.
Synthetics, yeah. I was looking at taking a trade on that too. Look at that wedge break. Boom, broke out of the wedge. Yep. I gave it entry over here off this wedge break. Look at that thing. That thing fucking mooned. I just
TA
gave it to
is
the
fake, bro.
I just gave it to the top of the range because that was a conservative target for it, right? They just fucking said, "Yep, I'm later. See you later." Back above moving average, and just retest the moving average and make another higher low, and then just pivot and run. Yeah, man, this thing is a fucking beast.
Yeah, I love it. It's a fucking mover. I'm
Sure
definitely
is.
long on this one. Back up here. Yep. I'm gonna get a double up on that one when it gets back up. All right, man. I'm not getting them perfect, but I'm getting them close enough.
Oh shit, Doge is as soon as we started looking at it, it's actually pumping now.
Yeah, well, the whole market's
That's how
going
it
up, you know.
The dominance is breaking down. Tether dominance.
Doge looks so good on the weekly, man. Like it just started, it just got a bullish cross, but like you know, like you're,
Oh, dude, drips down to 10 cents.
yeah, it's gonna go to like 8 or 9 or some shit. Looks like dog shit.
Just fucking tanking. Crazy. Well, then that would complete the entire wedge if it did that, right? So, technically.
Well, DDD not saving it just continues the entire saga of. I mean, I'm not trying to talk shit. This happens with a lot of them, but you know, like trying to fight against all that in hyperinflation and shit.
Yeah,
it's a problem that any of the developers have. You know, they're always trying to, like, even BT. You know, that's what Bertha and all this stuff. He had to think of ways to fight the fucking system.
yeah.
Fucking. But at least we got, like, even if fucking this shit didn't work from Forex, I mean, yeah, I can't say who cares, but at least he tried, you know? That's all we can really ask for, is that at least that he tries.
I made a lot of fucking money with drip, so I can't complain.
Yeah. I made
worst case, I can sell my RV and my truck and just enter a long position.
Yeah, sounds like a brilliant idea.
Buy it all back.
Black Sheep will be showing up at my house. Hey, can I live on your property in a tent? I'll be like, well, you better get a big enough tent for me and the kids too, because we're all coming.
Yeah, no shit. That's funny.
H-Bar had a nice pump today. Did you guys see that?
No, I didn't.
H-Bar, no.
Bullish engulfing candle on the weekly chart for H-Bar.
Nice. There you go. That's how we do it.
Come on, fucking near. My trade's green right now, so that's good.
Yeah, lucky bastard.
That looks like a fucking double bottom, dude. 4-hour double bottom. Yeah, look at that candle, man. Woo! Double bottom. That looks great. Another spring off the low. That's what I like to see, man.
Yeah.
So I almost got stopped out. Look, 1.332. My stop was 1.328.
Shit. That's pretty close.
That's TA being respected.
Yeah.
Although I've wicked out like literally a tenth of a penny and then it just rips. I've seen that happen many times. Matic on the rip. Matic looking great down here. We talked about this already though, right? Look at that. Matic is out.
Yeah.
Matic is out.
Yeah, all my trades are looking good, man. Some of them just got to catch up to the entry. That's all.
Yeah, you'll be good.
Yeah. Patience.
Look, Dodo's fucking ripping, dude.
Is it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'd be in that one if I could
we
trade
we
it.
were just talking about it, yeah.
I don't understand why they don't have it on fucking Pancake, because it was one of their old BSC coins. It's like one of the original ones that came out on Binance Smart Chain.
4-hour Stokes on near looking good. Look at DYDX just ripping. How's your short there, buddy? How's that working out?
Wrecked.
Yeah, wrecked is right.
Just flip long, you'll be okay.
No, just learn how to trade the range, man. So if you want to take a short, take the short at the top of the range.
Yeah.
You know?
Well, that's what I
or
meant. You fucking just fucking-
what is likely to happen is, because this is a flag, it's probably going to break out of the flag, dude. Like here. This is the bull flag. It's a bull flag. What happens after you break out of a flag, dude? You're going to do some shit like this,
Gone.
bro. Yeah, see ya. See ya at
Well,
$5.
what happens in this case is liquidation.
Well, good luck, dude.
What would happen in that case? Would we be like, Evan, hands up now?
Yes.
Yes.
Woo! Fucking near. Let's go, baby. Broke the range high. Let's go, baby. Send that shit. Come on, baby. I need this for Gabe. This is a big trade I have on right now.
Nice. Gotta buy diapers.
Gotta buy a lot of shit, dude. He's gonna have his sister too soon, so I gotta really fucking buy some shit.
Oh shit.
Well, not
There
that
you go.
soon, but yeah.
He's all, but eventually, someday, I'm gonna bang my wife again.
Right.
Let's go near, man. Let's go. Let's go. Let's get it. Hourly bullish engulfing candle. That is a power fucking candle right there. Look at that. Right at the range low, man. Right, dude, this is looking great. I'm really happy I stayed in this trade. What's the Bitcoin doing? Anything good?
I'm claiming my Furio to the fur pool right now, so I don't know.
Bitcoin is looking nice.
The daily stochastics just crossed up. Let's go. 8-hour cross. Yeah, I think we're gonna see a move, man. Maybe. Wasn't really looking too hot a second ago, but now it looks a little bit
Right,
better.
that quick, boom.
Turns around just like that.
It does, especially if it's holding the range, right? It's holding the bottom of the range. It's still making
Yeah.
higher lows down here, right? Let's see. Let's see.
Yeah.
Remember, Bitcoin was in a daily squeeze too, so you know.
Yeah.
Let's see if Bitcoin's in a daily squeeze, then or it's in a 2-day squeeze if I recall correctly. Let's see. So you had the 4-hour squeeze, and
Where would you put this? The stop loss on what was it?
DYDX.
Dydex?
Hey, tell your mom that I'll come downstairs.
I would put your
Let me know.
stop.
Sure.
I mean, 235. Good luck to you though, bro. Like you're gonna probably get wicked out up there. Maybe a bit above that, if it, you know.
Oh no, you said on near. Sorry.
Oh, the range low. You know, I would set your stop at like 232, 232.8. Because if you start breaking that bottom, that's a major support. It made basically made a quadruple bottom down here. Look.
Don't you mean 132?
Yeah, 132. So you got one low, the same low, and now a higher low. So that's almost a quadruple bottom. Lots of buying pressure right at this low. Yeah, dude. Near is fucking ripping. Let's go. We're breaking out right now. Literally breaking out on the hourly chart.
Let's go. It's alt season, baby. Yeah, Maddox fucking flying, dude. Oh shit. She's about to test that fucking trend line.
Everything's about to fly. Let's go. Heather's getting wrecked.
Oh shit.
7.43. Let's go. That's the magic level. That's the magic level. Let's go. 7.43. That's it. Once you break below tether.
Fucking tether it. USDT.D, where you at? There you are. Oh yeah, she's at the bottom of my watch list. Getting wrecked. Nice. There it is, baby. We did it. We're bouncing right on it right now. Holy shit. Let's go. Smash that motherfucker. Send it to 0.
I mean, again, we're at a range high on the dollar up here. Yep. And you break below this 7.43 area, we're talking about shit can really rip.
Yep.
This is a breakdown. We broke it. We're breaking down right now. Breaking down right now.
Good shit.
Hey, I'm gonna jump off here because Jenny just made dinner. So.
Okay, cool.
Jenny, jump.
See ya.
Later.
Our trade should be lit. I'm up $149, boys. Let's go.
Yeah.
Send it.
Yeah, I'm looking better than I was this morning, for sure.
Yep.
I just said fuck it, took a nap. Sometimes you just gotta get away from the charts and not even fucking watch this shit.
Yeah. No, I was watching like a hawk because I am on a lot of leverage on this trade. Yeah. And for good reason. Good reason down here, right? Like it's my entry is 1,344. So my entry was like right here on this support. And it like briefly broke it and just got right back above it. So it's like a double. It just double bottoms. Just double bottoms.
When you're trading with the house, yeah.
Yeah. Hey, I'm not trading with the house. How's that guy's DYDX short doing right now? Fucking wrecked? Yeah, fucking wrecked. Look at that fucking boner candle right up your ass, dude. What are you doing, pal? Yeah, let's short the market right now. It sounds like a great idea. Said no one ever. Yeah, you're just got a daily stochastic cross up. Looking good. Charts are looking good. Thank God for Bitcoin. Nice. Thank God for Bitcoin here. Holding up the market.
Yep. Yep. Look what's fucking moving. Oh shit. Oh shit. We're going back to the top of the range. Let's go. Click money. Yeah, everything's up, dude. The only thing that's down on my entire fucking watch list is drip.
Fucking shit drip. What a shit coin that thing is.
Oh my god. Got a lot of inflation. But technically it's stopped, but it's not bringing any fresh capital in right now for whatever reason. Oh, okay.
It's because everyone thinks that it's a shit coin.
So he closed that other trade and went on near. So
good job, pal. Good job. And near, if you're in a high lev like 141, take profit. That's the top of this mini range, this top of this bear flag here. And I think that's a good place to take some profit because it may not break out right away unless Bitcoin just fucking boners out of here. Then yeah. Bitcoin's trying to break back above the trend line, man. It got rejected earlier today when we were talking about it. It had a nasty fucking candle, right? We saw that.
Yep. Fucking A.
But really, though, this is actually technically a bear flag on Tether. Still, we're still bear flagged, even though we're at the top of this range. I would love to see this break the fuck down, man. That's what that would be. That would be
just fucking wrecked,
dude. And yeah, just break this range low, man, and just send the market. Just go, just send it.
Yep. So it looks like it's gonna happen. I mean,
I've been planning for that.
It's like, why would all these fucking dude? All these altcoins are just they're in just amazing like trader's dream setups. You know, what I'm saying?
Yeah,
like,
they
there's
are.
gotta be a reason.
They definitely are, man. Definitely are. I'm long the market. I'm long the market right now. Flow looks pretty good here, by the way.
Yeah.
Right. Nice little wedge there.
Filecoin and ApeCoin in the green, baby. Go.
Let's go. I'll be right back. I'm gonna go take this.
All right. Check out. Oh yeah. Five's looking good. Ape's looking good. Let's go. I'm just sending these. File. How you guys trade Tether? You don't trade it. You just watch the dominance of it, because anytime Tether dominance starts to break down, Bitcoin pumps up. So it's like an inverse correlation. So you don't technically trade Tether. You just watch for the dominance to break down to know when the market's going to go up. You can't throw any positions on dominance, right?
I don't think so. I don't think so.
Yeah. It has a wick low that got rejected today. Is that good? How's Zen looking?
Zen? XEN?
Yeah.
That's definitely at a range low. We've
XEN.
talked about that. We've talked about it. I think that's on my
wick low that got rejected. So what, did it bounce? Is it looking good? Oh, I want my NFTs to be fucking worth a shit.
I would say it is definitely in the zone to be buying it. It is at the bottom.
Fucking hit the bottom again. Here we go. That's the bottom. Is it getting any divergence between those two lows?
I don't have any it's flatlined on the RSI, so.
Oh shit. It's about as low as it's gonna get, guys. The fucking RSI is at 0.
Yeah, this is if you're looking to buy this coin, this is probably not a bad place to do it. Again, not financial advice. This thing can break even lower. It's a shit coin, but if you're gonna take a shot, this is where you would take a shot. And this does look like it's wedging a bit. So yeah. And the daily stochastics are about to cross up, and you are in a daily squeeze, and you did hit a bottom band deviation here on the Bollinger Band.
Okay.
So yeah, not a bad place to take a trade. You're oversold on the daily chart.
Wow. There you have it.
That's it. Bitcoin trying to fucking put a candle in here, man. Trying to do it. We got to see us break. We really got to break this trend line. We really got to break back above 29.3. Once we do that, then we're looking at 29.7.
29.3.
I
I
mean-
think that's what I have marked on my shit too.
Technically, is this thing technically out on the daily chart? I guess so. Maybe not. Maybe I have this drawn incorrect.
Oh,
It's
look
not.
at that. Yep,
not
29.3. That's the next line I got marked on my shit. 29.3. Well, 29.386, but close enough.
Yeah. So if this wedge breaks north, which it looks like we're going to break north. I think we go and we have lots of room to run up. Lots of room to run up. Right.
Okay.
We could probably at least go back up to test, 29.7. We break 20 back above 29.7. We're looking at a break back to 30K. And if we can if we reclaim 30K with a power move, like look at the volume. The volume is about to come in. I think while the NASDAQ is pulling back, Bitcoin is actually going to rip.
Okay. Yeah, because they'll pull it out and put it in here. Right.
Exactly what I'm thinking. Exactly what I'm thinking.
There's gonna be some kind of bullish catalyst in the news.
Yep, BlackRock's ETF got approved or some shit, or is getting approved. Yep.
Yeah, that's all we need, dude. We just need that. Just that. We're fucking back in the game. What's up, Hexout DJ? Said, what's up, Node?
What's up, bro?
What's up, Node? Make sure you guys are out there smashing a like button for Mr. Node It All. He just got off his stream and he came over to our stream. He's making his rounds.
I gotta give the love out. I gotta give the love out to DJ and Protocol community, man. Appreciate all you guys.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, Zen. I'm not talking about the Zen you guys know about. I'm talking about Horizon.
Yeah, Horizon, right?
Broke out of the wedge. All right, it's out of the wedge. So your next real level here is $14, man. It really wouldn't surprise me if this thing just decided to just rip. Really wouldn't surprise me at all, especially if Bitcoin's going to go up and the whole market's going to go up. So,
Jesus, he's over here now too. Yeah, we saw you over on his stream. What's up?
Yeah.
What up? What up?
Yeah, it's probably a buy KNC after this pullback it just had. Just doji candled here on the daily 2-day chart, rather.
Fiber uppercut.
Look at the trend line. Look at the trend line. Respect. Beautiful. Right at the bottom of the trend line. That looks beautiful, man. That looks beautiful. Look at that.
What's the all-time high on that shitcoin?
I think it's pretty up there. I even have it plotted already. The all-time high on Kyber Network is $6.
Oh yeah. Oh, he's gonna break the shit out of that this cycle.
570. It's done a 618 double bottom. 618 double bottom. It did reject the neckline, right? So it isn't confirmed until we break above $1. So really, the trade is from here is to about that $1 area, and it's pretty clear. Look at that wick. Look at that wick right to it. Boom, rejected it. But you could easily draw a parallel channel from here and see that it is respecting the uptrend right now. It is respecting the uptrend right now. So Kyber can do an uppercut.
Right.
Yeah. It's great.
Come on, Bitcoin, let's go. Oh, fucking Dominus having his little dead cat bounce, trying so hard. Fucking double.
Other dominance? Yeah.
Yeah. It's gonna just get wrecked. I can feel it. It's just time, man. It's just time, dude. Like, she's had her little run. It was fun while it lasted. Well, it wasn't fun for us.
It's been pain. It's been pain for us. Yeah.
Yeah.
Come on, Near. Let's break that trend line. Oof. It broke it on the 15, but now looks like it's back testing it. Man, I really want to see this thing run, dude. I really want to see this thing just power through this area. Just fucking rip it. Just like that. Power move. I mean, that is a power candle on the hourly, though. That is nice
Power
candle.
bottom?
That is a power bottom right there. Yeah, double bottom. So yeah, my trade should be to this neckline, which is 137. I guess I'll take some profit there. In case it doesn't break
Noise.
the neckline. Yeah. Maybe 136 or something. How's Aptos looking?
Looking at it right now. Single load.
Looks good, man. Just respecting that demand line. Coiling up for sure. Look at the RSI on the 8 hour. That looks nice. Daily divergence on the RSI. 2 day. 2 day doesn't have divergence, but this thing's pretty beaten up. And INJ
Look at what's set up.
Look at what's set up. Which coin? What are you talking about?
I'm not sure. Can you be more clear, Cookies?
Zen is ripping.
Yeah, there it is.
Zen is ripping.
Oh, this way. CTX.
Sounds like a shit coin.
You know, he always brings you the best of the shit coins, man. Like shit coin of the week.
Oh, it's actually on.
Shitcoin of the month.
It's actually on Coinbase.
Okay.
All right. Maybe a little wedge happening here.
Oh shit.
Yep, that's a wedge. The top of the wedge is $11, so definitely get a risk to reward down here. Your 2-day stochastics are pointing up. Your weekly also pointing up, and your RSI is pretty wrecked down here. I would say it's in the buy zone.
Oh shit! Oh shit! Buy! Oh shit! Oh shit! Buy!
Yeah, that's, and you can see the volume like receding here, so a big breakout move is imminent on this one. Looks good. Just if you take the trade, just set your stop below the wick low at 99 cents, and your upside here is very, very good. Very, very good. Yeah, I would say you're looking at least a move to 182, and you break that, I would say anywhere from the 382 to the 618 before a reversal. So anywhere from 260 to about $5. That's almost a 3 to 5x trade. That looks good. And Zen is ripping. Look, it just went green on the day. Zen is ripping. 100% retrace.
Damn.
That's a buy.
Yeah, I don't know why. Sometimes it filters them out. Check. Algo was actually looking pretty good. I think.
Algorand is literally at the bottom yet, dude.
It's gonna go fucking just ape shit, dude.
It is one of the biggest wedge patterns in crypto right now.
Yeah.
Yeah, dude. That looks absolutely fantastic down here.
Yeah, Cardano's I think it's bottomed out too. Ada.
Yeah. Look at all these buy signals,
Patient.
man. Buy, all the way down.
Patience. Yeah. You'll be fine as long as you're not fucking too close to wrecking your account. What about Ada? I think we got the same story over there.
Or they were going to delist it from Coinbase, but yeah. Well, the double bottom is still in effect until you go below.
You said they're delisting from Coinbase?
There was some news, some FUD about it. I don't know if it's actually happening.
Oh, okay. Well, I think they're going to be fine, though. I mean,
yeah,
they're not going anywhere.
They're definitely not going anywhere. Karura Network. This is a shit coin that I'm in right now. Look at that weekly divergence, man. This thing is going to fucking rip. That looks absolutely insane. Captain insane. Look at the squeeze.
What is it? On
Karura Network. It's a DeFi
Karura.
coin on the DOT network, on DOT ecosystem. Yeah, exactly.
AVAX was just ripping.
Everything's
What
going
I
to rip,
saw.
dude. Everything's about to do it. Everything's about to do it. Yeah, we got a weekly sell, an early sell on tether dominance.
Nice.
Came up right up to the deviation area where we could just see a swing failure up here, which is what we were talking about, right? The rising wedge happening here on tether.
Yep.
And stochastics are pointing down. ADX didn't cross up yet, but the 4 hour. And the hourly. Ooh, the hourly bears are in control. We like to see that. That's good for crypto.
Yeah. Nice. Yeah, can you take a look at AVAX real quick? I think it was just ripping on my screen.
AVAX was in a nice wedge. You got a breakout. I think it broke out. Oh, yeah, look at that. Boner right above the fucking Fibonacci level. Boom. That's a breakout. And that's a inverse head and shoulders pattern on the hourly chart. Right, very strong, higher right shoulder and everything. Yep, that's looking great.
Yep.
AVAX looking at a 2.5% move from the break of this neckline, and that should bring you right to about $13.
Yeah, I sold my AVAX, but I turned them into a shitload of great positions.
Good.
So I'm okay with it. It was money I wasn't even expecting to have, so. Or forgot I had it almost.
And this YGG coin is just going absolutely nutso right now. I like seeing that. I got a bag of it.
Let's go.
How's Near doing? Is it nearly going to break out?
Let me put that on my watch list.
This is a big volume area here.
Yeah, it looks good. Shit. I'll get in that one soon. Yeah, dude. The whole list is just green, dude. I love it.
Bitcoin's trying to do it. Let's see if Bitcoin can do it. Nice candle on the hourly. We're about to break out.
Let's go. And this candle closes in 9 minutes too. Let's go.
We need a break above 29.2 right now.
Okay.
Hourly
At least you're gonna do it, man.
4 hour looks good, poised for upside. Daily is at the bottom of the range on the Stokes. Yeah, this is the bottom, I think.
Yes. Dominus is getting shit on. Three bar fucking, what do you call it? I think, well, I'm seeing it on the 15-minute, but looks like one of those 3-bar plays. Good. Hell yeah. Let's go. When you get to TP1, how do you decide your new stop loss?
So depending on what time scale you took your trade on, you move your stop loss into profit. That way you can't lose the trade. Yep. So really, it's up to the trader and really what you decide.
Nice. Come on, bitch, break down. Yep. I don't think XRP is gonna fuck me after all. It's looking okay.
We're now up $232 on the trade.
Yeah, BTC dominance is taking a dive too, so that's good for the altcoins.
That's because it's factoring in tether dominance. So what you should do is subtract USDT.D and minus USDC.D. And then there you go.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's topped out on the monthly too. So, and it's crossing down. So I think we're going to see alt season now.
Nice.
Yeah.
Step aside, Bitcoin.
Watch out. The shit coins are coming. We're going to buy our shit coins now, baby. Ooh, Unfi protocol looking fucking good. I'm getting 30% APY on this shit coin to stake it.
So, you want to take a look at the elephant in the room? That thing's just stupid, man. When BNB swings up, it's just going to be fucking retarded. Do you have elephant on your thing?
Yes. You want to look at elephant money?
Yeah, the elephant in the room that's just fucking destroying everything.
Yes, it is. It is about to be in a 3-week breakout.
Well,
it is hugging this channel up beautifully. And yeah, I'm looking at a parabolic move on it.
Yeah. As in, oh, damn. Wow. Like 30x? Oh, shit. I guess, didn't you say you can, are you still longing that thing over there on open leverage?
Or are you the one that's yeah, but I'm not doing that right now. But yeah, you could.
Okay. Yeah. I think that's a fucking, that's a good play to throw. Let me know how that fucking thing works. Do you know the site on that one?
Yes. You want it? Give it to you.
Yeah. Oh, is it openleverage.finance?
It's bnb.openleverage.finance. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Gotcha. I'm on it. That seems like a no-brainer. It's only like 2x or something like that, right? You can only throw light leverage on it.
I think like 2 or 3x. Yeah. Let's see.
Yeah.
You can do. I'll just connect my wallet real fast. Let's see. Margin trade. And you want to look up elephant.
This might be a way to catch up.
Elephant.
I don't hold much.
Yeah, 2.4x is what you can do.
That's sick. So you're not even gonna get liquidated either, right?
Probably not, because all this thing does is go up.
Right?
Yeah.
That's dope. What is it? The elephant BUSD
USD. Elephant BUSD, yeah.
or okay.
You should probably just short drip because, yeah.
Is drip on here?
I'm not sure, actually.
Huh. That'd be funny. I'm like, oh, that's why it's going down.
Yeah. Anyone know the heat map for Bitcoin or how to get the heat map for Bitcoin for order blocks?
No. Do you?
No.
Huh. That's sick.
All right. Come on, Near. You've nearly done it. Nearly profited $400 off the trade right now. Take it. No point in taking it yet. We're still at the range low. We're going to close the hourly. So technically an hourly breakout candle. Beautiful hourly breakout candle here on Near.
Nice.
Uh,
Now you're making me on.
huh?
So now you're making me on.
Fuck, my vape just died. Wrecked.
Right.
Whoop. I just got an hourly long on Near Protocol. Printed.
I know, it's ripping right now.
Confirmed.
Yeah, everything's good.
It just broke out. Yep.
Yeah,
Everything
Bitcoin's still pushing. Let's go. Bitcoin is still trying.
Still in that squeeze, so it should go.
Yeah. Holy shit. Yep. ADA coming up. Ape doing his thing. File coin and profit. Let's go.
$232 in the profit on Near Protocol.
Nice.
Thinking about moving my stop now into profit on this thing. Let's see.
Yeah. Baby girls.
We did just get an hourly deviation outside the band on regular candles, not on HA. So on HA, we just broke the squeeze.
Okay.
4 hour has lots of room to run. Definitely looking like a double bottom.
Yeah. Whew, looks good. Well, you have anything more to talk about? I've been on here about 3 hours now.
You can call it, dude.
Right on, man.
All right, boys.
All right, guys. It's been fun. Yeah. Tomorrow, same time, same channel. Marcus Ripper, let's go Bitcoin.
Win, Lambo, yellow, Lambo, 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 shooting to the moon,
And go.
I wanna palm, palm, palm. You wanna palm, palm, palm. She wanna palm, palm, palm. You wanna palm, palm. I wanna palm, palm, palm. You wanna palm, palm, palm. She wanna palm, palm, palm. You wanna palm, palm. Let's go, guys. Palm, palm, palm. You wanna palm, palm, palm. She wanna palm, palm, palm. You wanna palm, palm, palm. You wanna palm, palm, palm. She wanna palm, palm. Win, Lambo, yellow, Lambo, win, Lambo, yellow, Lambo. I wanna palm, palm, palm. You wanna palm, palm, palm. She wanna palm, palm, palm. We wanna palm, palm. Let's go, guys. Palm, palm, palm. You wanna palm, palm, palm. She wanna palm, palm, palm. We wanna palm, palm, palm.
Hey, I got a question for you. What do all the girls say to guys with big dicks?
I don't know.
Yeah, I knew you wouldn't know.
Oh, fuck yeah.
I'm in love with the coco. I'm in love with the coco. I got it for the lawn. I'm in love with the coco.
Is such an opportunity, guys. This is such an opportunity. I'm so excited. You have no idea. You know why? Because the GOAT token's coming, motherfucker!
Yo, bro, you know, I was thinking about coming up with an esports team called Off in Church, man, because nobody beats Off in Church.